Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And once again, nice move, so certainly some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house clean and get rid of that line right there. And then that also brings about our first update. I should note that line does still pertain to the chart. It's just not relevant right now, and I don't want to have lines all over the place and risk causing clutter and confusion, so we'll try to keep this as clean as possible. Now, the first update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from Friday, talked about 745-ish as that area of resistance. But now that the price is up above it, that would be one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level of support going forward, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price could stay up there above 780. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 780, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above it, that would be great. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the big picture, so nothing new here for those of you that have watched the past videos. But just keep an eye on the purple line, assuming you have a broader time horizon. That is the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So the very straightforward way to gauge the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 780 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of where the sellers are at, initial area of resistance seems to be right here around $8.10. If the price can push up through that, the next key level is just where the party stopped today. That up there at right around $8.35. So all in all, yeah, I had a decent sized pullback here, but the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, so we'll see if they can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.